Welcome back to Dancehall and News TV. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified of new uploads daily. Let's get started. Latest news. 7 sentenced for Lotto scamming activities in Hanover in the past week. Kingston, Jamaica. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, says during the past week, a total of 7 people were sentenced in the Hanover Parish Court after they each pled guilty to breaches of the Law Reform, Fraudulent Transactions, Special Provisions, Act, 2013. They are Dennis Barrett, Karen Small, Kiefer Ellis, Ulrich Grant, Rushane Hogg, Shakame Stewart, and Rashid Llewellyn. According to MOCA, these persons were arrested and charged during various anti-lottery scam operations in Western Jamaica. MOCA also reminded members of the public who may have any information that could assist in any other investigation to call MOCA at 754-3435 or 906-5099 or 851-0113 or 1-800-CORRUPT or by email at moca@jcf.gov.jm. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Manners and respect. One love.
Our news team got brief access to a young man caught in the dragnet of law enforcers in Montego Bay, St. James. The 22-year-old is to be charged in relation to these items found in his possession at his upscale home. He explained that the stash of cash is from gambling. He supposedly wagered 2,000 Jamaican dollars and earned himself near $500,000. He did not give a story for the fake weapon, the high-end cell phones, and the 2 motor vehicles also seized. The young man said he chanced upon this life.
On the internet, some stuff come up like leads thing, them just pop up on the stuff. They say free samples and stuff like that. You understand, officer? Click on that stuff. When you click on it, you see the list them come up, officer. You can download or any of that. Give you the option, officer, on the computer. That's when we started fooling around with this altogether, officer.
Facing the prospect of time for his decisions, the scammer became teary-eyed and urged others in the illicit trade to give up.
I would advise anybody in this lottery scam, stop it. Know why would I tell you that, officer? Because today when I see the embarrassment and I see all of them something, the officer, you know that I go to school, I get my education, I apply for a job, I'm qualified, can get a job, sorry. I wouldn't tell anybody. Better when them go to school, can't get no embarrassment.